Ciao y'all. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright, so this one's gonna be fun. I'm still in San Antonio. I have a quick job I need to do. I actually brought the exhaust tip straight from North Carolina back to Texas. But this is what I'm going to be installing today. Very nice packaging. Something I wanted to do once I had the bigger tires. This is the MBRP. Let's see what the model number is. T5073. This is a 4-inch inlet, 6-inch outer diameter angle rolled, and 304 stainless steel. I wanted to go 12-inch instead of 18-inch so that it more so had a stubby look, but a lot of people do go 18-inch. 4-inch is the diameter, outer diameter of our stock 6.7 Cummins motors. Alright, ready to go. It's just the look that I wanted, but there's a lot of them out there. I just like the look of more so of a stubby chrome look due to the fact that my bumpers are also chrome. Very high quality. There are some cheap ones on there, but this one's really not any more expensive. Yes, it is a little more expensive, but you pay for what you get, and MBRP is a quality business. I wish I was sponsored by them. I wish I was sponsored, period. But this, I got it from Amazon, very reasonable price. And so let's go ahead and go get this installed. All right, so first let's go ahead and figure out how far we want this to actually cut. Bear with me, I'm doing this with one arm. All right, so I already dashed a line of where I wanted it cut. It's right along where it is right now. But the way that I want it is pretty much with it somewhat tucked in under the mud flap, and so if stuff comes flying, it doesn't really fly too much on the exhaust tip, and so that's really where I want it. Now the line really comes up about right here, and so that there's plenty of exhaust left for it to actually clamp down. Essentially it's gonna get the job done, something like that. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's finally done. Check that out, looks great. Right at that line where it was cut off, cut it off slanted, so there's still plenty of room for the exhaust tip to clamp up on, as you can see right there. I put a generous amount of blue Loctite, just due to the fact that I know it may go through some heat cycles, especially with the regens. I'm not sure really how hot the exhaust stainless steel gets hot during a regen, but I knew it does get hot, so I put a generous amount just so it locks in. Other than that, I definitely got to go get this thing washed, but everything looks great. Definitely like the look. I like how it's tucked in just right below or behind the factory mud flap. As you can see where it's actually hit with the water, mud, dirt that the tire kicks up. It's really not much. It's about almost half, but that won't go away until I put some bigger mud flaps, and even then I think I'll still get some splash on the exhaust tip. But yeah, everything looks great. So that just about does it. There really wasn't too much of a change. There really wasn't change at all for the tone. All it really is a looks upgrade. It's something that I think I had on my F-150. Maybe it was like I think it was a 3 to 5 or 3 to 4 that I used to have in my old F-150. I like the look of that, but I like the look of it, especially on a diesel. So I decided to go to a 4 to a 6-inch. It looks amazing, especially it accents the chrome bumper, the front too, but you don't see the front. When you see the exhaust tip, you see the rear bumper, and so it looks great. So if y'all have any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know below. Also, let me know what you think about this exhaust tip. Do you have an exhaust tip? And so until next time, ciao.
Perfect.